A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, N, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs, 26 letters from A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, N, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs, 26 letters from A to Z.
Hello! The topic of this week is about the farm animals. We are going to start our daily routine. Please listen to the song Hello.
H-E-L-L-O, H-E-L-L-O, H-E-L-L-O. Hello, hello, hello. Everybody dance with me. Clap your hands, 1, 2, 3. Everybody turn with me. Stamp your feet, 1, 2, 3.
Now we are going to read. Please. What says here? Read my lips. Continue. You can do it alone, okay? Let's okay. Did you say correct? The words were sad, love, happy, house, and goodbye. Tell me, was correct? Now we are going to say what day is today. Remember the days of the week. Okay, we are going to make claps to say the days of the week, okay? Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday. Now, study how's the weather, okay? How's the weather? How's the weather in your house? Sing the next song.
the weather?
It's sunny.
How's the weather?
It's sunny.
How's the weather?
It's sunny.
It's sunny today. How's the weather?
It's rainy.
How's the weather?
It's rainy.
How's the weather?
It's rainy.
It's rainy today. How's the weather?
It's cloudy.
How's the weather?
It's cloudy.
How's the weather? It's cloudy. It's cloudy today. How's the weather?
It's windy.
How's the weather?
It's windy.
How's the weather?
It's windy.
It's windy today.
We are farmers, yes? Look at the farmers that the animals that we are going to care, okay? Say hello. Our horse. 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 Remember the song about Old MacDonald? Old MacDonald's song says that he has horse. He has sheeps. 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 He has a baby. Pay attention. It's a baby chicken. Ay, what is it, Mom? Here, it's a hen. A little chicken and a hare. Little chicken, hare. Tomorrow, we are going to continue learning about this animal, okay? Remember, please make a draw of your favorite animals of the farm. If you like a sheep, if you like a horse, if you like a chicken, or a hen. Bye-bye.